Cattell's theory of personality. Very interesting topic. What is the Cattell's theory of personality? Before we discuss about the Cattell's theory of personality, we will discuss about some definition of personality. According to Cattell, 1950, the personality of an individual is that which enable us to predict what he will do in a given situation. According to trait theory, human personality is composed of a number of broad traits or dispositions. Psychologist Gordon Allport identified more than 4,000 words in the English language that could be used to describe personality traits. Later, R. Cattell analyzed this list and whittled it down to 171 characteristics, mostly by eliminating terms that were redundant or uncommon. He was then able to use a statistical technique known as factorial analysis to identify traits that are related to one another. Factor analysis can be used to look at enormous amount of data in order to look for trends and to see which elements are the most influential or important. According to R. Cattell, there is a continuum of personality traits. Continuum of personality traits. That means there is a continuity. In other words, each person contains all of these 16 traits to a certain degree, but they might be high in some trait and low in other. But there will be 16 traits. Must be 16 traits. Raymond Cattell published the 16 personality factors, also known as the Cattell's 16 personality factors and 16 PF test in 1949.